Okay, North American Auto Equipment. Happy Thursday. We're in northern Massachusetts, and we've just installed this UNIVERSALIFT 9KAC. Rebuildable rub blocks while it's standing. So you can take the nylon UHMW blocks out by removing the plates and replacing them. This lift is $20.95 delivered. It's a 7 anchor per leg concrete anchor base plate. You've got these big heavy duty gussets at the bases of the columns. This one has single point safety release, and we have the one without single point safety release for $18.95 delivered. That's the UNIVERSALIFT 9KAC-B. If you need a lift, give us a shout. These things are performing extremely well in the field. Thank you.